क्या हुआ, शादी के साथ साथ हनीमून का बजट भी उड़ गया? ओनली है 50 to 60,000 इन योर पॉकेट? डोंट लूज होप, क्योंकि हम बनाएंगे आपका ड्रीम इंटरनेशनल हनीमून प्लान, वो भी अंडर ₹50,000. But the real question is, can we actually plan a magical international honeymoon under ₹50,000 without compromising on luxury and comfort? Well, today we are not just answering that, we are gonna make it fun. And I have got this globe wheel challenge. For whichever destination it lands on, I will show you exactly how your 50,000 gets you food, stays, flights, experiences, and real honeymoon vibes. Oh, Bali, the OG honeymoon spot for Indians. Let's break it down. Flights will take the biggest chunk of your budget, around ₹25,000 return per person if you book smart. But once you land in Bali, life gets royal. Private villas with pools for just ₹2,000 to 2,500 a night. Candlelight dinner on the beach that looks like straight out of a movie, and it won't even cross ₹1,500. And the experiences, about jungle swing, sunsets at Tanhalot, and the dreamy Nusa Penida island trip. You know those Instagram honeymoon reels with floating breakfast? That's all Bali, and all very affordable. Okay, Thailand, aka the land of beaches, nightlife, and insane street food. Flights are usually 20,000 to 25,000 return. Hotels, beachfront 3 stars for like 1,200 to 1,800 a night, literally cheaper than some Indian hill stations. Now imagine this. Fiji Island tour with turquoise water, then at night you are in Phuket enjoying nightlife, and next morning a cozy couples breakfast by the beach. Food is the real jackpot. Pad Thai, bubble tea, and even seafood platters, most under ₹400. And if you want to splurge, one night rooftop restaurant in Bangkok are still way cheaper than Dubai. Oh, Vietnam, the underdog honeymoon spot nobody talks about but should. Flights again will be around ₹22,000 to 25,000, but hotels in Hanoi, Da Nang, or Hoi An, that's just ₹1,000 to 1,500 a night for boutique stays. Cute, cozy, and aesthetic. The highlight, Ha Long Bay overnight cruise. Now imagine this. You are on a private deck, water all around, stars above, and it's just ₹7,000. Then there's Hoi An's Lantern Festival, where you light floating lanterns with your partner. Straight up movie vibes. Food, don't get me started. Ban Mai sandwiches, 4 balls, egg coffee, most meals under ₹200. Interesting. Dubai, the city of glam. But question is, can ₹50,000 get you a proper honeymoon here? Let's see. Flights are usually 18,000 to 22,000. Hotels in areas like Bar Dubai or Deira will cost you ₹2,500 to 3,000 per night. Not villas, but still really nice. What you can do is create experiences. Desert safari with barbecue dinner, honeymoon vibes under the stars, though dinner cruise with city lights, super romantic. Then you got the Dubai train, Miracle Garden, and of course, pausing under the Burj Khalifa. Food is flexible here, shawarma and kadak chai for like ₹200 a meal, or fine dining if you want that extra boozy touch. And last but not the least, Malaysia. Honestly, the most underrated one on this list. Flights are around ₹20,000. Hotels in Kuala Lumpur, ₹1,800 a night. And if you want island honeymoon vibes, Langkawi resorts for ₹3,000 a night will still fit your budget. Now, what do you do here? KLCC Twin Towers, Batu Caves for the Insta shots, then fly to Langkawi for island hopping, beaches, and those dreamy sunsets. Food here is insane. Nasi lemak, satay, Malaysian curries for rupees 150 to 200 per meal. You can literally eat like a king without spending like one. So that's the Spin the Globe honeymoon challenge. Tell me in the comments which destination would you spin the globe and land on your honeymoon. And if you want me to do a part 2 with even crazier destination, you know what to do. Like, share and subscribe, and I will see you on the next spin.